Hi, this is Dr. Ramu, CEO, Career Development Center, Narsimha Engineering College, Hyderabad. Today, I am going to explain Infosys Springboard Internship. So, in this video, I am going to give the clarity. What is the need of this internship? And so, what are the expectations of the company? And how this internship is going to useful to your career? These 3 points I am going to give the clarity. And first and foremost, this internship is the virtual internship. 2 months internship. Here, if you want to get into this internship, first you need to complete all the courses which they are going to offer in the respective stack. Here, there are 5 stacks are there. So I'm going to explain one by one. The first one is the Python technology stack. In the Python technology stack, it contains total 14 courses. Remember, every stack contains some courses, and the duration also I mentioned. If you want to complete all these 14 courses, you require 278 hours of time. So don't think on this time, because if you have already idea on the respective courses, you can complete earlier. But don't forget to complete the assignments, right? Based on the assignment scores and the certification exam, they are going to finalize. These are first course is the Python technology stack. Coming to the next, artificial intelligence. In this stack, there are 20 courses, but the time is only 120 hours. This is the second stack. Next, Java tech stack. In the Java tech stack, there is 12 courses, but the time is 310 hours. How to spend 310 hours. And next one is the data visualization. In the data visualization, you're going to spend 130 hours on the 18 courses, right? And the last one is the Angular full stack. In the Angular full stack, you're going to cover 15 courses. The duration is 134. You're free to choose any stack based on your interest and the knowledge. The deadline to complete these courses is the June 30. The people who are going to complete these courses earliest, means first come first serve, they'll get a more weightage. I'm going to show you the courses in the respective stack and these are the courses in the stack wise. See, in the artificial intelligence, I told you total how many courses? 19, right? These are the 19 courses. And each course, for example, you just consider that introduction to data science. How many hours? The 3 hours. So here, introduction to data science shows that it's relevant in the solving the business problems and including project implementation. Got it? So like the way how to complete all these courses along with the assignments. And Angular full stack. Same here also 14 courses, and each course the respective knowledge you are going to get. Please remember, you just keep it aside the internship. First you just concentrate the respective stack. Definitely this knowledge is going to useful for your career, because this is the training they are going to offer in the industry as well, right? Even if you join the company, respective company, if you want to do some project, how to complete all these courses. And if you clear all the courses within the time, and you will get a more score in the internship certification, then there is a chance to get into the Springboard internship. If you get the Springboard internship, the 2 months duration, in the 2 months duration, you're going to learn so many things with the industry mentor. Please note this point, right? That is why this is the more weightage for the company's point of view. Even this internship experience is going to useful for the all other companies as well. End of this internship, you are going to complete one real-time project and submit it you are going to submit to the Infosys team. They will evaluate, and once you satisfy the requirements, then they are going to offer the internship certificate. So you just think the 2 months, no need to move anywhere from your house, just you have a laptop, you're going to complete this internship. Only your task is to complete all the courses along with the assignments. and there is a certification exam is there. The people should clear the certification exam. In the assignments, no need to switch on your camera, but while doing the certification, you have to switch on, proctored based certification. Definitely, this is going to give the more weightage in your resume. Please note this. Now, I'm going to show you how to register and how to do the courses in the respective Infosys Springboard platform. So this is the website we're going to use to register in the Springboard, springboard.onwingspan.com. Here you just use the login button, right? So if you have an account, you just log in directly. So this is my account, right? This is my account. Here there is a virtual internship 6.0. In the virtual 6.0, you just click apply now. So here this is going to show you the available category of stacks, learning paths: artificial intelligence, Angular, full stack, Python technology stack, Java technology stack, data visualization. First, we'll see the apply. So here the button is there. This is the button. When you click here to apply, then it is going to launch the nomination page. In the nomination page, there is a basic details out there. You just fill it, and this is going to submit your nomination, right? And I'm going to show you the courses. This is the, already I told you, Angular. In artificial intelligence, you just introduction data science, like the way. So you just move here, computer vision, introduction robotics, artificial intelligence certification. This is a 1 hour test. This is the 1 hour test. Complete all the pre-content to take the certification. Means first you have to complete all the certifications. Once you complete the certification, then you are going to be eligible for the respective internship. So your task is very clear. They given respective stack, respective number of courses. The number of courses first you have to complete. After that, you have to complete this certification, and the first come first serve basis, they are going to identify the candidates certification score, and as well as the second point is assignment score. Based on these two category scores, they are going to finalize your entry in the Springboard internship. So all the students, it is requested to go through the courses earliest possible and complete the certification. There is a chance to get into the Infosys Springboard internship with a free of cost 2 months virtual internship. Please remember, the last date for the nomination is June 2nd, and the last date to complete the courses June 30, and the internship is going to start from July 1st onwards, and there is no any kind of interview. Once you clear the assignments and the certification, then you will get a mail regarding this virtual internship. All the best for your Infosys Springboard internship 6.0. Thank you.